The 2015 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.